Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video we are going to discuss a very important question from statistical physics. So you can even expect a question in your upcoming GATE exam, CSIR Net Physics exam, JEST exam, TIFR exam related to this concept, which we will consider in this video today. So I hope once you are gonna watch this video till the end, you will easily be able to solve any such question which you can see on the screen right now. So let's talk about it, what exactly has been given and what will be the steps we have to take to find the total number of microstates, to find the total number of macrostates and to find the probability of each macrostate in any such given case where the spin is involved. Clear? Let's talk about it and how you will find all these things, what will be the steps or the process you have to follow. So let's talk about it. But before starting the discussion, guys, even if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Also click on the bell icon after clicking on subscribe so that you will be able to get the notifications regarding the new videos which I will upload on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. I have already uploaded many important videos based on important concepts for the CSIR Net Physics Exam, GATE exam, JEST exam and TIFR exam on this channel. So you can check all the other videos too which I have uploaded here. Thank you so much everyone. Now let's talk about it. Okay. So there is a question like we are going to have, that is, an isolated system consists of two weakly interacting spin. This is basically the spin written here. Then spin half particles. Clear? So this is what we are going to have. An isolated system consists of two weakly interacting spin half particles, A and B, fixed in space and kept in field of magnitude B naught. Okay. Calculate the total number of microstates, total number of macrostates and probability of each macrostate. This is what we need to find. If I'm going to talk about this question, guys, the first thing we are going to focus on is how to find the total number of microstates. Clear? So always remember, in any such case, the formula to find the number of microstates will be equal to 2s plus 1 to the whole power n. N is related to number of particles you are going to have. Like two particles are here, A and B. So n will be 2. And what is the spin of the particles given to you? That is half. So you will just put it here and you are going to get 2 into half plus 1 to the power 2, which will give you to the power 2, because 2 ones are 2 and 1 plus 1 2, to the power 2 is 4. So how many number of microstates will be there? 4 microstates. Okay, and this is the formula to find the number of microstates for any system in which the spin is involved. I hope it will be clear. Even the application part for this formula should be clear, because we are applying it here and we are putting all the required values in this formula. Now the second step is how to find the total number of macrostates, and then further how to find the probability. So in a spin half case, you will firstly consider the possible cases of a spin half. Either it can be spin up or it can be spin down. Okay. Now two particles are there we are going to have. So both the particles can either be in the spin up state, or one in spin up and the other one in spin down state, other one in spin up and the first one in spin down state, or the other particle you can say. Then no particle in spin up state and both the particles in spin down state. In this way, as we have found it from the formula, how many possibilities are there or how many number of microstates are there? 4. So you can count it 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, how many number of microstates are there? 4. Now next thing is, if we are gonna consider how many number of macrostates are there. Macro means on the large scale we need to observe. We can see this will have like two up state, two particles in the up state. Okay. And here up spin you can say, if we are going to consider this one particle, so overall resultant of these two conditions will be same. So another macro state, one more condition, one more type, one more category we are going to have. Done. So this was one type, this is another type, and this one is another type. How? Because both the particles are in the down state or the spin down state. Clear? So this is another type. How many different types or major categories you got? 3. And these are the number of macrostates. How many number of macrostates are there? 3. Okay. Now, what are the probabilities of each macrostate? So let's write the probabilities of macrostates, not micro. 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4 and 1 out of 4. How? Because 2 are belonging to this category, which is a common category, which is giving us the result which is the final and the same result from both the cases. So 2 are in our favor for this type, one in spin up and another one in spin down, and total 4 are there. So this is, you are going to get the probability. Which state is the most probable state? If this will be the question you will have, so this probability will be 1 upon 2 for this particular macro state. So you will say this is the most probable state, whose probability is more or the high. Clear? So this is how you can find any information you need to find related to this particular question. I hope everything will be clear to every one of you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Now I am just going to provide you some information regarding the Unacademy Plus subscription. So I hope guys, most of you will be familiar with the Unacademy Plus courses and the subscription. So there are going to be new courses, the complete course batches for CSIR UGC NET this 2021, okay, which are now live for June 2021. And for life sciences, chemical sciences, mathematical sciences, physical sciences and general aptitude part, if you want to attend these important courses, the batch courses by the top educators on Unacademy Plus, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Whenever you will take the subscription, you can even use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, and you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount by using and by applying this referral code. Also guys, if you will take the subscription and if you are going to use and apply this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. But what are the benefits you will get after taking the subscription? Let's talk about that. Even right now at this point of time, if anybody is going to take the subscription, they will be able to do the very good preparation for their exam with the guidance of top educators, and by preparing the important tricks, the important concepts, the important topics in the well structured and well planned courses which are there on Unacademy Plus. Some of the courses have recently started, some of the courses are going on, some of the courses will start soon. So if you will take the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes of all these important courses by the top educators. Clear? So which will surely help you to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Also guys, one more thing, once you will take the subscription, after that in each and every plus course we are going to have a pattern, like there will be doubt clearing sessions in each and every course, okay, and with the help of these doubt clearing sessions you will easily be able to we can say you will easily be able to ask about your doubts, even if you are watching the recordings of previous classes which have been conducted on Unacademy Plus. Okay, for example, if today you are taking the subscription and some of the course is like already going on and now you want to watch the previous classes sessions too, so recordings will be there, and there in the upcoming courses or the new courses or the latest courses which are going on, there will be doubt clearing sessions. So when you are watching the recordings and you are covering that part, you can ask about your doubts in the doubt clearing sessions, and that's how all your doubts will get clear. Another thing is there are going to be different tests going on, and with the help of these tests you will get to know about your preparation, how well you are able to recall the concepts, how well you are able to relate them, how well you are able to manage your time. So everything you will be able to consider with all these important things. I hope everything will be clear to all of you guys. And whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. And you can get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. If you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can download the Unacademy Learning app, or directly you can search Unacademy Plus on Google and you can proceed further to take the subscription. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.